This is how to hide your online status on TikTok. By doing so, when you're online, people will not know that you are actively online. So, the first step is to tap on your TikTok mobile application installed on your iPhone or Android. Once the application opens, you may find yourself on a page that looks like this. Let's tap on the inbox so that you understand what I'm talking about. So I'll tap on inbox. You can see on that inbox, you can see the green light there. So anybody online will see that I'm online, but I want to stop that. So the next step you need to take is to tap on profile. On tapping on your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on settings and privacy. The next step you need to take is to tap on notifications. Just scroll down a little. You will get to this section named activity status. You can see here is turned on. Alright, tap on that button for it to be turned off. Just as you can see. Let's go back. There's something we need to change in the message tab. So I'll keep tapping on back. Okay, so we are here. I'll tap on inbox. So on this inbox, tap on the inbox section where is that is showing green. All right, so I'll tap there, and here you can see public has been turned off, friends is selected, meaning that this change I made now, only my friends will see my status. All right, but here I want to change it to no one, so tap on that no one icon and close this. So with this, nobody will know that I'm online on TikTok when I come online. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.